Assalamu alaykum everyone and welcome to this new series. My name is Hassan and in this course inshaAllah we are going to learn Arabic reading step by step in a simple, clear and practical way inshaAllah, especially designed for non-Arabic speakers and complete beginners. In this series we will start from the very basics, how to recognize Arabic letters, how to read them with short vowels, fatha, kasra and dhamma, how to connect letters together and how to read words and sentences, and finally how to read the Quran with confidence inshallah. This series is based on a beautiful and very helpful book called Al-Futuhat Al-Rabbaniyyah. This book is well known among teachers for its a clear structure, gradual learning, and effective exercises. What I love most about this book is that it focuses on practical reading, not just memorizing rules. Every lesson builds on the previous one, and by the end of it, the students are usually able to read Arabic smoothly and confidently. In this series, inshallah, I will explain each lesson in a simple way, give examples, and practice with you. Whether you are a beginner or you have tried learning Arabic before and found it difficult, this series will make it easy for you, inshallah. So if you are ready to start your journey in learning Arabic reading, make sure to subscribe and follow this series step by step, inshallah. Let's begin this beautiful journey together. Assalamu alaikum.